Top HR companies to watch in 2022. BambooHR. BambooHR strives to evaluate the employee experience. With its all-in-one HR software, founded in 2008, this company provides a platform that gathers employees' information and analytics efficiently in just a single database. Not only does this database include employee records, workflows, and approval, but as well as encompasses all of the information into an easy mobile app. Daily pay. On-demand pay is one way to keep employees happy and willing to stay at a company. Daily pay is a service that hopes to do just that. With Daily Pay's service, employees will be granted easy-to-use benefits for financial processes. Namely, keeping up with too many employees at once can hinder workflow and become stressful for human resources. Namely provides a simple-to-use platform that processes all the needs of HR from onboarding to payroll. Workday. Gap Incorporated, GE, Dell, and Comcast all have one thing in common. They utilize Workday's global HR management platform to aid their companies. Workday's platform can tend to every HR need, such as managing employee benefits, compensation packages, and hiring talent. Sage HR. Sage HR's product can completely automate the entire HR process. With their product, never will the business have to pay close attention to disruptions or last-minute changes, like someone taking off unexpectedly. From onboarding to leave management, Sage HR can do it all. Rippling. Rippling provides an excellent solution through their HR-based software to simplify HR tasks for companies. Their unique approach to HR technology is entirely customizable. Whether your business uses Microsoft Office, Slack, or any other software, Rippling offers the integration of over 500 different apps to handle any company's preferences. Pacom. Pacom offers complete transparency to business employees. With their HR technology, employees can access everything regarding payroll, such as expenses, paid time off, and employee benefits. Thanks to Pacom's recent product, Betty, the employee is empowered by managing their paycheck. Paylocity. Paylocity offers products that can essentially address every aspect of HR. Founded in 1997, Paylocity has amassed over 28,000 clients and caters to more than 4,150 workers nationwide. This platform has been categorized in G2's Top 50 Best Software Awards for HR. Ethic control. If issues arise within a company regarding employees, it's a serious matter that should be addressed and resolved to provide a better work environment. Ethic control strives to do just that, eliminating issues in the workplace through their HR case management tech. Hierology. Hierology makes the hiring recruitment process effortless. Hierology makes the hiring recruitment process effortless. With their all-in-one platform, HR tasks have never been more manageable as it takes on more complex tasks. Additionally, Hierology has acquired numerous accolades throughout the years. If you strive to do your business's hiring process more smoothly, perhaps Hierology's platform is your answer.